In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Basic 1 brush in Krita. To get started, select the Basic 1 brush. Press F6 to open the brush presets docker if it isn't already visible. In the search bar, type Basic 1 or look for the preset named Basic 1. Once you find it, click the preset to select the brush. The Basic 1 brush is a simple brush that can be used for clean strokes, line work, and general painting. To use it, select the brush and start drawing on your canvas. Adjust the brush size and opacity depending on the type of stroke you want to create. For cleaner lines, use a smaller brush size. For filling larger areas, increase the brush size. You can adjust the opacity to control how strong or light each stroke appears. The Basic 1 brush is commonly used for sketching, outlines, coloring, and detailed artwork. It works well when you need a straightforward brush for creating solid and controlled strokes. When using the brush, you can build up your artwork by adding strokes gradually. Adjust the size and opacity settings as needed while working on different parts of your drawing. Once you have selected the Basic 1 brush and adjusted the settings, you can continue drawing and painting with the brush on your canvas. And that's how to use Basic 1 brush in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.